All right, I'm just putting it out there. Homemade pudding is far better than anything you're gonna buy in the store. All right, video number 4 in the Magic Mix series, which is how to make homemade chocolate pudding that your family's gonna love. Now see, when I grew up, I used to think I didn't like pudding because all I'd ever had was that Jell-O instant pudding stuff. And I was never really impressed with it until I made this homemade pudding and realized, oh, this is what pudding is supposed to taste like. This is one of my favorite reasons why I love cooking with food storage, is because you're cooking more from scratch and you realize things are supposed to taste different when they're made from scratch. And when I say different, I mean a million times better than any of the mixes and things that you're buying in the store. So let me go ahead and show you how to use Magic Mix to make an insanely delicious and easy chocolate pudding for your family. All right, thanks for putting up with me and all my pudding puns I tried to throw in there. Hopefully you enjoyed learning how to make that delicious chocolate pudding and that you're gonna go and make it for your family because they're sure to love it. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure you like and leave a comment below with your favorite way to use Magic Mix, or if you've got a question, go ahead and leave that too and I'll get back to you.